my beloved friends and family. I'm the Great Chief Dagwambana, and I'm here to make people clear about spiritual work. So, each and everyone to open your ears and listen to me, what I have to tell you people. Yeah, that's me, Great Chief Dagwambana. I'm here to explain everything or how spiritual work go. And the reason why I'm here, always there is complaint. That's why I'm here to make people clear about this work. Because sometimes you hear that people will say that there's no spirit or there's 419. My brother and sisters, I know that there's bad people and there's good people. So try to listen to very carefully and know that spiritual work is there. If only you come and across a good person, like me, the Great Chief Dagwambana. My brother, if you don't contact the Great Chief Dagwambana. My sister, contact the Great Chief Dagwambana, and all your problems will solve. Let me come about the instant money that they are talking. Sometimes people will just complain that Chief, I go this place, I don't get. I go this place, I go this place, so many places, and he don't receive what he needs. It's not that there's no ritual. There's really a spiritual. If you come and across a good person, like me, when you just contact me, I will just check you. Because sometimes it may be that your gene, if someone's gene is very high, it will be difficult for you to perform something for him and it will work. So if someone just contact me, I have to check the person first. I have to check the person's gene so that I will know how I will do and help that one and you receive your work clearly. So the instant money, if you just contact me for the instant money, the only thing that you have to do, you have to get the money that I will use and buy the item. That is all. Immediately when you get the money that I will use and buy the items, you have to give me your full name and your picture. That is all. So that I will perform your work for you. There is no other thing. So after you receive the money that I do for you, and you can now pay me my work money, or you can now give what you are going to give for Thanksgiving. That is what I'm doing my work. So the instant money, if you are interested, you can contact me, the Great Chief Dagwambana, so that I will do everything for you. This time, there's a lot of Malams who are on TV claiming that they are spiritual people. Me, my spirit, I don't go market and buy this spirit. I'm from traditional family, so who know everything. So when you are hearing this complaint, it's making you angry. Yeah, because you will watch the television, you will just be lying people. When you collect the money, you will not mind them again, or you even block him. It's not like that. My brother and sisters, let us take note. Let us contact the real people. Let us contact those who fear God. Let us contact those who can help us. This year, 2020, is a year of blessing. It's a year of success. So, my brother and sister, try to be amount of the blessing of this year. If you want to receive the blessing of this year, try to contact me, the Great Chief Dagwambana, so that I will let you receive the blessing. I'm not God. I'm not God. But I can use 1 day to make someone rich, 2 days to make someone rich, 1 week to make someone rich, 40 days to make someone rich. Try to contact me, the Great Chief Dagwambana, and you know that there's really a spiritual work. If only you come across a good person who will take it as a brother and help you. So my brothers and sisters, don't complain that you go so many places. You never come across me, the Great Chief Dagwambana. That's why you are complaining. Try to remove my number on the screen. Contact me. Even if you are far away, try to WhatsApp me. So that I'll tell you how we are going to do and I'll solve your problem for you. Where are you coming here? Don't be afraid that my place is far or you cannot come. I have so many branches. I have branches in Accra, Tamale. So if You are ready. You can even call me to come and solve your problem for you. So my brothers and sisters, there is really a spiritual person work. If only you come and across a good person. So the 419 madams, those madams who are collecting people want to spread the tradition of Dagbang or to spread the tradition of our religion, to take note. 419 madam, I'm talking to you. Be very careful about what you are doing. If you know that you cannot help someone, just tell the person the truth. I cannot help you. Change another person. If someone just tell him his problem, just tell him that I don't have that power to help you, so that that person will go and meet someone again. But you don't need to say that you can help him and find that you will collect the money and you will not help do anything for him. It's not like that. It's not good. 419 madams, know that there is judgment after death. If you put your colleague human being into trouble, it will come back to you. So 419 madams, know that if you collect someone money without helping that person, know that after your death, there's judgment. After your death, there's judgment. Let us try to do good work so that we will also receive good deeds. Let us help people. This spiritual that we are having, our ancestors give it to us for us to help people, because they are no more there in life. So that is why they give it to us to also help people. So there's no need for us to use it to be flooding people. It's not good. It's not good. Fake madams, take time. Fake madams, take time. It's not good. You are spoiling our tradition. You are spoiling our religion. You are making people to believe that there is no spiritual. But there is really spiritual, because they don't contact the real people. My brother, even if you go 100 madams, 10 madams, 20 madams, and you don't succeed, today, try to remove my number and contact me. Believe in me. And what you need, you are going to receive it by the grace of Almighty Allah. Try to contact me, the great chief Dagwambana, and all your problem will solve. Yeah, about pocket, the one that pocket no dry. Meaning, I have pocket no dry. And that one, our language, and they call it Kunjifi, and English they call it pocket no dry. Yeah, if you come, me I have it double. If you want me to perform it in wallet or your pocket, or let you get some box and put it in your room so that I'll perform that thing for you. Every day, when you go and kneel down there and call the name of that thing, the thing that I perform for you, you are going to receive money in the box or any bag. And lotto number. Sometimes people, lotto number. That lotto number is very easy. Lotto number is not like someone comes to perform instant money. Lotto number is just one day work. If it come, my number is too short. The only thing is you have to do to get the item that I will use and do it. That is all. After you go and win the lotto number, you will come for Thanksgiving. And my number is too short and it's never paid. My number is too short. Try to contact me and be the winner of lotto. My brothers and sisters, especially those who are far away, like Nigeria, Italy, Libya, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Gambia, all over the world, South Africa, all over the world. If you know you are far away and you cannot come, try to contact me and get me the money that I will use and buy the items and your full name and your picture. That is all that I need. I'm going to help you. Even if you have bank account, when you do that and you have bank account, you can give me your bank account number. After I do, I'll put your money inside your bank account and you will receive it. If you know you are far away and you cannot come, believe in me. And what you need, you are going to get it. I'm not boasting. Yes, the power is there. I'm not boasting. Sometimes you sit on TV and you are just laughing. My brothers, let us take note. If you see someone, they're born with spiritual, you yourself will know. Watch me very well. It's not market that I go and buy spirit. Watch me. you will know that they born me with power. So if, like the phone number, if you are watching me on TV, you can even call, you can also remove my number and call me. Those phone numbers, you can call me and meet me so that I will let you know that there is spirit. I did not go market and buy this spirit. Why are you spoiling our tradition? You are spoiling our tradition. If you don't have power to help someone, just tell that person through so that that person will know, because know that he's having serious problem. In this world where I sitting, foreign numbers make some people and they jail them, and it's not good. It's not good. You say you are going to help the person and finally they will jail the person. That means that you have already pushed him into trouble again. He was having problem and contact you, and now you also put him into trouble. It's not good. Let us take those who need help from us. Let us take them like we are brothers, our mothers, and help them so that they will come someone. If you do good, you will receive good. If you do bad, you will pay back with bad. So let us take note and know that there is judgment after death. Let us fear God. Let us fear God and help people. So my brothers and sisters, try to contact me, the great chief Dagbambana, and all your problems will be solved. If you like sickness, any sickness that you are facing, try to contact me, the great chief Dagbambana, and I'm going to help you by the grace of Almighty Allah. Try to contact me. My sister, contact me. My brother, contact me for all your problems. Marriage problem, court case, land problem, everything. Try to contact me and I'm going to help you by the grace of Almighty Allah. I believe in God and I believe in my gods. That's why I'm here, to help people or to make people clear that spiritual work is there. Never sit down and say that traditional thing is not there. It's there. The reason why I say it's not there, you are contacting fake people. That's why you say you don't believe it. Try to contact me so that you will see what will happen. Yes. Those who know me don't know who I am. So I'm not here to just talk. I have the spirit in me. My brother and sister, you know this world, if you are poor, you don't have any respect. Even your woman cannot respect you. You don't have any respect. Your family will not respect you. Anything they do, they will not mention your name inside there because you know you are poor. They will say that if they in the family, if they ask to contribute, they will not even tell you what is going on in the family because they know that you are poor. You cannot contribute. You cannot contribute anything. So my brother and sister, let us wake up so that we will receive respect, maximum respect. This world we are living, the world is ending like that. You can see this time, the whole world is facing COVID-19. No one knows where it's going to end. But inshallah, I'm not on TV talk to say that I have the spirit, but inshallah, when it catch you and it's not reach 14 days, if you come, I can treat you. Yes. Because the reason why I say if you don't reach 14 days and you meet me, I'll treat you. If it reach 14 days and they check you, they will go and quarantine you. I cannot see you. Nobody knows. It's come. God just give it for us to learn lesson, to know that the world is ending like that. So my brothers and sisters, let us pray hard. Let us pray hard. I'm telling you, so that in this world, everything will be in success place, and nothing bad thing can come and spoil our future. Even bad people, you will just be in family. Someone will just hate you. He don't want you to. He don't want you to wear a good shirt, but you don't know. You don't go for people to check you. You just lie down in your room. Try to contact me. If you have too much of enemy, try to contact me. If you are not getting work, if you don't have good luck, try to contact me so that I'll give you good luck. This year 2020 is a year of blessing. It's a year of success. So try to be a man of the success and the blessing. Because the world is ending like that. But you people don't know. Money is the root of respect. If you don't have respect, if you don't have money, you don't have any respect, I'm telling you. You cannot. It's very painful. It's very painful. Mbona yela mbele obiafu. Dagwamba. You ni dinga ma. Ya tim do ko bia me. Ka che jire. An ka supportive no kumar o ka tim dan ko chante that tim ma. But tim bia ni. Ba man ka contact man. Tim Dagwamba na ka ba na tim bia ni. I'm even in the to say ma jire nya number na particular call ma kam mitma. Kan che ka ba na tim bia ni. Hala be loka ko call man mita man boashi. Ka ta face ta ka ba na tim bia ni. Che ka ta che jire. Jire be viera. Che ka ta son tam na unzu. Because mini I keep that when you are when you go le via so to na ngba shiri I ka ama bi problem ni akuto so kai na to so ko cha pam ni la na ka ba so na un never la ni ba. Yes, so try to contact me and see whether what I'm telling you in the mouth or I can do it. Let us talk truth. Let us talk truth. My brother and sister, let us talk truth. Let us talk truth. How? Someone will just call you that you go this place, they collect him, you go this place, they collect. Why? Why? Just tell him the truth, that my brother, I cannot help you, just go somewhere. That is all. Because know that that person, the way he contact you, he has some serious problem. So when you cannot help him and collect that money, that small money that he was having in his hand, you give him another problem again. So my brother and sister, to the viewers, those who are watching, try to contact me, the Great Chief Dagwamba. Just remove my number on the screen. Even if you cannot come, try to contact me. Just remove my number and WhatsApp me or call me and explain your problem to me, so that I'll tell you how we are going to do and your problem will solve. I swear Almighty Allah, I'm not God, I swear Almighty Allah, if you contact me and your problem did not solve, then that means that God just created you in this world to suffer. Because me, when you just contact me, I'll check your everything first before I can enter your way. If I just check you and there's no success in it, I'll just tell you the truth. But if I just say I can help you, I mean it, I can help you. Me, if I cannot help you, I will not tell you to get the money that I'll buy the items. But if I just tell you to get the money that I'll buy, use and buy the items and help you, I mean it. And I know that I can help you. Yes. Don't be afraid. So, today, I want you people to see physical. Because I'm saying about the instant money and instant. I want to show you some action so that you will know that money ritual is there. It's not only human being that you use to do money. We have different kind of money ritual that we can perform with blood there. It's not only blood money that you can use to make money. Blood money is not good. Using human being to do money ritual is not good in life. We have different way of giving people money. So today I'm going to show you so that you know that there's real power. Watch very carefully. Viewers, me, Martin, what I do, viewers, try to watch very carefully. I want you to watch everything clear. Watch everything clear here. I just open your eyes. Those who are watching me, open your eyes and see that and know that there's really spiritual way. If only you come across a good person. So try to contact me, the Great Chief Dagwamba, so that all your problems will solve. By the grace of Almighty Allah. I look forward to welcome you into my kingdom of wealth and power, where dreams are achieved. Watch very carefully here. I'm going to show you power. What they call power. So try to watch very carefully here. Viewers, I'm talking to viewers to watch very carefully here. I want to show you physical what they call power. Cameraman, you come. What is inside here? What is inside here? Watch very carefully. Viewers, I'm talking to viewers. Watch very carefully here. What is inside here? There's nothing. Viewers, watch very careful. Watch very careful. Watch very careful. Have you seen? There's nothing in the box. Me, I need clear evidence. Watch very carefully here. There's nothing there inside. Okay. Watch. Before I close this box, cameraman, show it very well. Before I close this box, watch. Okay. Afurefure oluna oluti olumune jetaka na kore mami watasima lota changes blabodi olimi commission banski bebre. I told you that I don't kabela kupanzi mami watataga kwa njia lazima ya uwa busukazan. Pwem afurefure oluna oluti olumune jetaka na kore mami watasima lota changes blabodi olimi commission banski bebre. I told you that I don't kabela kupanzi mami watataga kwa njia lazima ya uwa busukazan. Pwem chamzama ya abuna kantampra tam. Kai jubabu atajinga asma kofi I told you that I don't kabela kupanzi mami watataga kwa njia lazima ya uwa busukazan. Pwem tatu za manjaba subabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jizamba ay dona kabera ku panzima mami watataga konchiya lazina na yawo babu suka zan pwem ya abuna kan tambrantam subabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jizamba ay dona kabera ku panzima mami watataga konchiya lazina na yawo kasa zana pwem subabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jizamba ay dona kabera ku panzima mami watataga konchiya lazina na yawo babu suka pwem ya abuna kan tambrantam Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba suka. Pam! That's physical one. That's real one. That's physical one. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba suka. Pam! Ya abuna. That's physical one. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba suka. Pam! Ya abuna. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Tatu sana. Pam! Alazina zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Ya abuna. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Zona zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Tatu sana. That's real one, physical one. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi. Physical one. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Ya zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Tatu sana. That's physical one. Go and print. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Tatu sana. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi. That's dollars. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. That's physical dollars. This why be dollars. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Tatu sana. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! Physical dollars. That's real dollars. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! That's real dollars. Physical dollars. Physical dollars. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga. Euro. That's physical euro. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Pam! That's physical euro. That's physical euro. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi taga konjia lazina ya uba buskazan. Pam! Ya abuna. Zubabu. That's 10 cedis. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba buskazan. Pam! Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi ay toto jamba ay dona kabela kupansi mami watataga konjia lazina ya uba. Sona zubabu pam! Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi I told you zamba I don't kabera kofanzi mama what a tiger konji ala zina ya ubo. That's physical one. You know the fake one. That's real one. Physical. Zubabu ata jinga asma kofi I told you zamba I don't kabera kofanzi mama what a tiger konji ala zina ya ubo. Well, yeah, abuna. That's 200 loads. Watch it very careful. That's 200 loads. The new currency. Have you seen it? That's the new currency. 200 notes bundle. That's 200 million. Yeah, Zubabu atajinga asma kofi I told you zamba I don't kabera kupanzi mama mi watataga konji ala zinena ya awu suka zam. Kwem zoma Zubabu atajinga asma kofi I told you zamba I don't kabera kupanzi mama mi watataga konji ala. Zubabu atajinga asma kofi I told you zamba I don't kabera kupanzi mama mi watataga konji ala zinena ya awu suka zam. Kwem ya abuna kantam Zubabu atajinga asma kofi I told you zamba I don't kabera kupanzi mama mi watataga konji ala. Physical one. You know the fake one. That's real one. Physical one. Physical one. That's real one. Real one. Physical. Try to contact me, the great chief of government. Come on, come. Watch. Try to contact me, the great chief of government, and all your problem will solve. I look forward to welcome you into my kingdom of wisdom and power, where dreams are achieved. That's physical. That's real one. Contact me, the great chief of government, and all your problem will solve. That's physical one. Real one. That's physical. That's physical one. Try to contact me, and all your problem will solve. That's real one. Contact me, the great chief of government, and all your problem will solve. Try to contact me, my brother and sister. Contact me, real one. Physical. Try to contact me. I look forward to welcome you into my kingdom of wealth and power, where dreams are achieved. I'm not boasting, my brother and sister. I'm not boasting. This is small. Try to contact me and receive more than this. If you are MP, DC, MC, President, try to contact me, the great chief of government, and all your problems will solve. I'm not boasting. That's really a spiritual way. Try to contact me, my brother and sisters. Thank you.